Genes are the fundamental units of heredity. They are the instructions written in DNA that tell cells how to build proteins, which in turn shape the structure and function of every living organism. To understand genes, one must first understand DNA itself. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule shaped like a double helix, a twisted ladder with rungs made of chemical bases. These bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, pair in precise ways, A with T, C with G. The sequence of these bases forms a code, and genes are specific stretches of this code. A gene is not the entire DNA molecule, but a segment that carries instructions for making a particular protein or functional RNA. Proteins are the workhorses of life. They form muscles, enzymes, hormones, and receptors. Genes are like recipes, and proteins are the dishes they produce. The human genome contains about 20,000 to 25,000 genes, spread across 23 pairs of chromosomes. Each chromosome is a long strand of DNA tightly coiled and packaged. How are genes made? Genes are formed through the process of DNA replication and transcription. During replication, DNA copies itself, ensuring that every new cell has the same genetic instructions. During transcription, a gene's DNA sequence is copied into messenger RNA, mRNA. This mRNA then travels to ribosomes, where translation occurs. The sequence is read and converted into a chain of amino acids, forming a protein. Thus, genes are made by the interplay of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Examples of genes illustrate their power. The hemoglobin gene carries instructions for making the protein that transports oxygen in blood. Mutations in this gene can cause sickle cell anemia, a disease where red blood cells are misshapen and less efficient. The insulin gene directs the production of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. Defects in this gene can lead to diabetes. The BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes help repair DNA damage. These examples show that genes are not abstract. They directly affect health and survival. Genes also explain inheritance. Traits pass from parents to children because DNA is copied and transmitted during reproduction. Mendel's pea plant experiments revealed this principle. He observed how traits like flower color and seed shape followed predictable patterns. Today we know that these traits are controlled by genes, and that alleles, different versions of a gene, determine variations. For example, eye color is influenced by multiple genes, with alleles producing shades of brown, blue, or green. Genes are made through evolution as well. Mutations introduce changes in DNA sequences. Some mutations are harmful, others neutral, and some beneficial. Over generations, beneficial mutations can spread through populations, creating new adaptations. The gene for lactase persistence, which allows adults to digest milk, is one such example. And the story continues.